Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy Southern style macaroni salad? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So of course you're going to need some pasta for this Southern style macaroni salad recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. I like to use elbow macaroni, but you want to make sure your water comes to a boil before adding in the pasta, and also be sure to salt your water because the pasta needs flavor. About 1 tablespoon of salt for 1 pound of pasta. You want to cook your pasta according to the package directions, which would probably be about 8 to 10 minutes. And once the pasta is done, be sure to rinse it off with cool water and let it cool off. And now I'm going in with some mayo. If you were wise, you would use Hellmann's, but hey, do you, boo. Next, I'm going to add in some sweet relish. It has to be sweet, not dill. As well as some honey mustard. I use the honey mustard and the sweet relish so I don't have to add any sugar. Okay. And now I'm going in with some pink Himalayan salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Fresh cracked black pepper is so much more flavorful than the pepper that's already ground up. Next, I'm going to add in some finely diced celery, as well as some finely diced multicolored bell peppers and red onions too. Or you can use white onions. You want to dice everything nice and fine because you don't want to be chomping down on big chunks of stuff. Now my secret ingredient is some Chick-fil-A sauce. If you know, you know. But it's optional. I was just trying to help your palate. And then I'll give everything a good stir. Get everything all nice and well combined. Well, actually, I forgot to add the tuna fish first, and then we'll get everything all well combined. Just break up the tuna fish before adding it into the macaroni salad, beloved. I don't know why she did not do that, but anyway. And then once you get everything all mixed up, the Southern macaroni salad is done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This Southern macaroni salad came out so good. Just the perfect summertime side dish. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe, damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.